Alright guys, Toyota Vellfire 2012. um, Almost lost my mind. It's been a couple months since it's happened. As you can see, been reading online, did a lot of research. There was this bloody thing. Now, if you can live without that, having your TV up there, if you can live without all that, bringing it down for the kids and stuff, cool. What I found was this, the way to bypass it. This brown plug, get these two wires here. When this TV unit shuts off and it doesn't work, it'll send a mute signal back to your mute everything, no sound. What I did is strip those two wires back. You get a purple and a brown. Connect the purple ones together, connect the brown ones together, you'll get your sound back. Done. I got it, and here you go. Fidget to the world.